All right, we checked in. I got a spot. I hooked up the air for a little bit, and
turn left, then turn right.
Now we're gonna go to Walmart. Before it gets too hot, and it's hotter here. And they did say yes, they had that weird flood tsunami kind of thing on the bay right here. That worked out.
Continue on route.
There's the other campground over there. I have every intention of staying there. AC was making some noise, so I turned the AC off and it's warm. So we're just gonna get driving and time lapse because the wind makes too much noise. Gorgeous. To go to Walmart. Didn't want to, need to. Get the better lane going back, and I'm telling you, it is hotter. Just a little bit off the lake, it makes it a lot hotter. We're almost there, and I'm gonna say now that I'm just doing the Walmart run. I'm in the heat of the day, and I just want to get my Walmart stuff. Sign said flood damage on 41. Use caution.
Turn left.
Really? This seems an odd way to go, but I'll listen to you because I don't know where the Walmart is here. Boys sure took me the back way, which might be better, I guess, with all the damage, but kind of wanted to see it. Houghton before, and this isn't the way you go. I don't know what the heck you're doing. Well, it got me here. These people are on my last nerve.
Arriving at destination on right.
All right, we're here. Navigate. Oh, I remember why I hate Walmart. That was...
See the highlighted route.
And what was so funny is I was trying to be quick, and I meant to look at bikes and I didn't even look at them. Vin, you coming back, buddy? I got the air on even though it's making a little noise. I know, Vin. It's hot. I know, brother. It's hot.
Turn right.
God. Alright, we're going back. Alright, this is taking me back, I think, even a different way. I might have to correct myself, but I think I missed all the road construction. My eye out for farmers markets, but I haven't seen any. 30. Gotta slow it down. We're actually in Pelkey. That building burnt down right next to the firehouse. I'm going to do a super quick review of Ojibwa Casino Camping in Berga, Michigan. This year it's $25 a day. With that, you get $5 of free play and a drink card each day that you would stay there. Well, it definitely took me back a different way, but I think a better way. It's weird. I was on this coming here, so I came back further away from the water. See, there's that lake again. It's everywhere. I don't think that's too bad for full hookups. There's the pool that you can use, and the other video I did last year, I showed all the pictures. They have a bowling alley. Hot tub is always nice too. The bowling alley has a snack bar. They also have a restaurant. In the pool area, you also get the sauna, and there's a shower you can use. So for 25 bucks, if you're in Berga, this is a decent option. I'm just going to show you a quick little meal. I probably won't show you on the grill. These are pork chops. I marinated these overnight in an Allegro hot and spicy marinade. Pretty good stuff. And it's just going to be corn on the cob and maybe some beans. Maybe I'll do beans. Yeah. But I won't show you much on the grill. Alright, we got one juicy pork chop and one ear of corn. And hold on, there'll be more. The flies are going a little bit crazy. And I didn't put my stuff on, so I'm eating inside. And it's hot. And being honest, I see that I tend to eat inside more than outside. Also going to open this can of Bush's Grill and Beans steakhouse recipe. They're Bush's, so you know they're good. You don't need to see those, but let me get this stuff done. Alright, and there's more of the blueberry applesauce, because there's a pork chop. You gotta have applesauce, but let me try the corn. I'm not lying, I really like it with that garlic peppercorn Caesar dressing on corn. It works great. Let's do the flyover. It's a good looking pork chop, isn't it? Nice grill marks, yet still not cooked overly done. Let me taste it. Oh, I really like it with that hot sauce, that hot marinade. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. I got eating to do.